got more rain in Houston than I ever thought. And the dogwoods of Virginia are blooming in my heart. Oh, but if you ask me which I'd choose, I will always say I choose to be where you are, 'cause you're my favorite place. Different town, same you and me, just a change of scenery. Different time, same air I breathe, with a lot more humidity. Oh, we're changing like the tide. I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, under the Texas sky. If we ever moved to England, Mom would have a fit, but we could see the Windsor Castle, try out fish and chips. I'd like to catch a flight to northern France, sip some nice champagne. Oh, and when we've seen all the world, you're still my favorite place. Different town, same you and me, just a change of scenery. Different time, same air I breathe, with a hot and stingy breeze. Oh, we've had our lows and highs, but I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, and I'll follow you. You are the wings of my flight, and I'll follow you. My home is right by your side, and I'll follow you. I'll be forever your bride, and I'll follow you. Love finds us here tonight, under the Texas sky. Different town, same you and me, just a change of scenery. Different time, same air I breathe, with a lot more humidity. Oh, we're changing like the tide, but I thank God each night that you get to lay beside, under the Texas sky.
Absolutely, Emily, I'll come back when you call on me. The days are getting shorter, but I'll be back before long, I promise, Emily. Do you miss me, Emily? I spend the nights with you in my dreams. The days are getting colder, but we'll be warm before long, I promise, Emily. Please forgive me, Emily. I have to stay just one more week to make some extra money, but I'll spend it all on you, I promise, Emily. did something. Emily, can you compose the bell for me? I got a little money saved, so don't you worry, babe. I promise, Emily. And pack your bag up, Emily. I know a place that's far away. We'll live high on a hilltop, and we'll never go to town. I promise, Emily. Well, it ain't cheap being poor, and I can't take any more of the tickets and the taxes and the fees. I work hard for my pay, and they take it away like they don't care. I got a family to feed. They cut my shifts at the mill. I fell behind on my bills, and when you're late, they try to charge you more money. They were riding my back, so I just cut them a check. Then the bank charged me a low balance fee. Yeah, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
No, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
I work hard for my pay, and they take it away, and they wonder why the hell I'm so poor. I wanna buy a boat to try to save a few bucks, but I can't 'cause I'm down to my last penny. And my insurance is high on my beat up old ride, 'cause I'm living on the rough side of the city. Yeah, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
Yeah, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
I work hard for my pay, and they take it away, and they wonder why the hell I'm so poor. Yeah, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
No, it ain't cheap being poor.
It ain't cheap being poor.
I work hard for my pay, and they take it away, and they wonder why the hell I'm so poor. It ain't no wonder why the hell I'm so poor.
When I awake from my sleep and look out on the sun shining, I feel a smile across my face. When I look out at the horizon, the sun, it warms the earth each day. We can see from the light provided, whether you walk in the street or till in the field. Be content with the time you're allotted. There are times when the sun ain't warm enough, and it feels like you've been slighted. Look to the brother at your left and the sister at your right. Drink up the milk of human kindness. For we all have so much love to give, from all the love we've been given, the beauty we can see in all the colors in the trees is enough to make me thankful to be living. When I lay down my head to sleep, a full day's time behind me, I'm so thankful for the people and the beauty that I see. I can't help myself to keep from smiling. I can't help myself to keep from smiling.
Be with me, Jesus, I ask you to stay. Comfort my worries through the night until day. In the darkness, Lord Jesus, I am the devil's prey. So I beg of you, please just stay, stay. In the morning, my Lord, try as I may, I still need your mercy, I still need your grace. So if you don't mind, sweet Jesus, what do you say? Will you be with me always to my dying day? Will you be with me always to my dying day? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Didn't know that everything could just burn down to the ground. I didn't know that even I could get used to feeling down when it's sweet desolation on the breeze. Honey, sweet desolation for me. Staying up to see the sun, will it show me anything? Morning in a broken shade and a few more words to sing, but it's sweet desolation only. And this sleep deprivation's killing me. Desolation is a solace and a sound. I wonder where you are tonight. Do you think about me now? Down here on the pavement of some city or some town where it's sweet desolation for me. Honey, sweet desolation's what I need.
I wish I knew the road to you. I don't care how far, I won't stop trying. I wanna be right where you are. I wish I knew the road to you. I don't care how long, I won't stop trying. I wanna get where we belong. We had the shortest time, you had to go, but I'm just so happy I had you. The morning's near and still I can't tell you how I feel. Just another lonely day to get through. I don't care how far, I won't stop trying. I wanna be right where you are. I wanna be right where you are.
Call me Abraham, if you don't mind. That's my only request. As I reach my dying time, I've known wretchedness that words can't tell. I've seen the darkest hell when I looked into myself. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. May you never know what you will find in a concrete prison cell on the execution line. All the wickedness that ever was is living in your heart and running in your blood. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. Through the night with an untroubled mind.
Times right now are nothing like they used to be. Times right now are nothing like they used to be. I tell you the truth, but you don't want my word from me. I've seen better days, and now I'm putting up with these. I've seen better days, and now I'm putting up with these. I had a way better time with the women down in New Orleans. 'Cause I'm from the country, she thinks that I am easy to rule. 'Cause I'm from the country, she thinks that I am easy to rule. She wants to hitch me to a wagon and drive me like a mule. I bought her a gold ring and I paid the rent. I bought her a gold ring and I paid the rent. She wants to get me to wash her clothes, but I got good common sense. You want me to love you, and then you just treat me mean. You want me to love you, and then you just treat me mean. But you're my daily thought, you're my nightly dream. Sometimes I think you're just too sweet to die. Sometimes I think you're too sweet to die. Other times I think you ought to be buried alive. Other times I think you ought to be buried alive.
Oh, mother, I found a way to see what father wanted me to be. Oh, sister, I found a way to feel the wind as it carries me. I've been singing for the waves, asking them to fall down on me. I've been granted this grace of seeing the road and my way of being free. Underneath the lights, there's a fire that breathes and lights me up like the moon above the sea, to find a way to be myself. Let me live this life. Oh friend, you've been kind to me. This flat land has finally grown a tree, while rocks are deep in the lake. It's time for me to feel awake. Underneath the lights, there's a fire that breathes and lights me up like the moon above the sea, to find a way to be myself. Let me live this life. Father, I found a way to breathe when walls are closing in on me. Father, I've kept my promise to dream about everything I ever wanted to be. Underneath the lights, there's a fire that breathes and lights me up like the moon above the sea, to find a way to be myself. Let me live this life. Let me live this life. Let me live this life.
Whatever we took, we gave, especially when we misbehave. When trouble comes for us, I don't care if you're wrong or you're right. I'm on your side, I'm on your side. Step outside, the cracks got your back. I'm on your side, I'm on your side. Kids like us are tougher than most. You took the brunt of it, you held the rope.
Call me Abraham if you don't mind. That's my only request as I reach my dying time. I've known wretchedness that words can't tell. I've seen the darkest hell when I looked into myself. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. May you never know what you will find in a concrete prison cell on the execution line. All the wickedness that ever was is living in your heart and running in your blood. I've done things you can't forgive. I turned from your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray your grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. Through the night with an untroubled mind.
my life, my dad was there. I knew that he always cared. Daddy made a man of me. When he was gone away at work, I never thought how much he hurt. He really was quite a man, and I love him so. And he used to say, be happy, everyone, take care of each other and love, and hold on tight, and take care. He worked his fingers to the bone so he could make us a happy home. He never complained, no, not even one. He came home each night, he held us oh so tight. Remember to say your prayers, and heaven is really there. The hospital where they took our dad made us all so very sad. We knew he wouldn't be coming home, and I miss him so. Be happy, everyone, take care of each other and love, and hold on tight. I promise to take care of Love you, Dad. Thank you. Thank you very much.